How to add text on TikTok videos. To get started, you first need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. Then, you will be taken to this home page where you can post or view the contents that are shared by others. From here, you need to tap on the plus icon in the middle. TikTok will then take you to its camera roll. Now, hold the capture button to record a video. Once you are done, release the button. Then, tap onto this alphabet icon from the side panel. After that, the keyboard will pop up on your screen. Now, type the text over here. You can drag the position of the text. After that, tap on Next. Then, once you post the content, others can see the text. So by following these steps, you can easily add text on TikTok videos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.